Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7 and this is by Majorette and this is from their Porsche edition. So this is basically the premium series they came up with. So this is a 2025 packaging. So this is 399 MRP. Excuse. Okay, let's open it. So I did unbox this casting. I don't know when, but I did by Majorette. See, casting wise, it is going to be the same, just like Hot Wheels does. Only the livery and paint job differs. Okay, let me throw this away. So here is the card art. The card art looks absolutely beautiful. This one is actually I love this card art compared to the normal one, the orange background they do. So because this one actually has a white background and it has a darker finish here and it actually emphasizes the car really well. And here you can see it is from left to right. Am I correct? Okay, this is my right hand, so maybe right to left. For us it is right to left, I'm saying. Okay, and here are the details. Okay, let me just put this aside. Let's talk about the casting now. Okay, so out of the box the casting looks so beautiful, and the black with orange, I can say creamy orange, looks really great. And the livery on this one, it says 911 here. That looks so beautiful. It is a glossy black, so it's prone to fingerprint, as you can see. Those are my fingerprint, those are not scratches. Okay, so again the beautiful thing, acrylic headlights, Porsche logo. See, they do the logo really well even on the main lines or even premiums compared to my Hot Wheels. Okay, let me just close this for a minute. So it has tail light details also, the Porsche logo is here, the 2.7. So the body is fully metal, the chassis is fully plastic. So the interior looks so nice and contrasty, and you can easily see this. And it has a clear windshield, it has windshield wipers on the front but not in the rear. I don't know about the actual car whether it has in the rear. It has rear view mirror here, that is really great. And let's open this one now. Okay, you can see there is something here. I think it is supposed to be the engine, if I'm not wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, because I thought this car actually had engine in the front. I don't know what this is, but they have some detailing here. It looks really good. Okay, does have suspension. So the rims on this looks really good. Actually, it matches this casting really well. Okay, so this particular series doesn't have rubber tires. These are plastic tires. I forgot to mention in my previous two videos as well. So the premium series, vintage series, whatever comes under this 349, 399, those will be having plastic wheels. So there was one more series they released back then. I did unbox a Nissan and a Lamborghini Sian and a Bugatti in that series that actually had rubber wheels. I think that is a deluxe edition. Deluxe edition has rubber wheels. Okay, let's weigh this casting. 25 grams. It is a bit less compared to the other two, but okay. Just put this aside. Okay, let's do a roll test. Wow, it does it does roll really well. I didn't expect that, to be honest. It produces a lot of noise, but it rolls really well. It reaches the end of the track. It even crosses the end of the track. See, it rolls really well. Okay, let's rate this casting. Again, I am not seeing any issue with the casting. Yeah, so 10 out of 10, guys. Honestly. So again, just look for other brands like Majorette. Also, you will love it. These are really worth spending your money. You will love it. It has all the proper detailing to it. opening parts and everything is there. What more you guys need for the price point? And Hot Wheels Premium has nothing of some sort, but still we are paying 549 on that one. I'm not complaining because yeah, Hot Wheels fanboys will come and fight with me on that. But think about it, you will understand what I'm saying is right. If you are paying out of your pocket, you will surely think about it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.